All right, so here we are. I suppose things are fine at everyone's place, and we all have been in at least done with first dose of our vaccines. So why are we over here? It's not something with regards to GPAT Sniper. क्या है ये अलग? So basically, this different thing over here is basically talking about quality by design. What do you mean by quality by design? What is QBD? कहाँ से आया? A rare part which is a syllabus, maybe or maybe not. Maybe we were just taught some few terms and we didn't have a detailed information about how QBD works. So yes, irrespective of what happened in the past, irrespective of what amount of base you are aware about, let's come together. Let's have a deep insight into how does quality by design work together with Team Pharma Elite. So how is Team Pharma Elite going to help in basically? So till date, we all have heard the term quality multiple times. सबकी क्वालिटी की डेफिनेशन अलग होती है. कोई बोलता है कि अगर टैबलेट बरोबर दिखता है, if the appearance is perfect, the tablet's quality is perfect. While a pharmacist might just say a technical term like disintegration time, dissolution time, everything should match, right? So basically, when we are at the core of today's world where patient centricity is the major focus, where we all want that patient gets what they are desiring, which is basically a quality medication, how can we make it possible? Because the basic definition of quality itself differs amongst us. ICH defines quality in a different way, कोई और quality को कुछ और बोलता है, and ऐसे में we are coming with a term known as quality by design. So basically, quality by design है क्या? In other terms, if I have to say at this stage, quality by design basically means start with the end in mind. इसका मतलब बेसिकली ये हो गया दैट when you have started developing a tablet or an injectable, you are very much clear that at the end of the product development, that tablet should have this much amount of disintegration time, this amount of hardness, this range of dissolution. So you basically start with the end in mind. Once you are clear that how your product is supposed to appear at the end, you prepare your formulation accordingly. So basically, ये quality by design का advantage क्या है? What are the merits of it? We all have heard about QBD with regards to different terms. We have heard quality target product profile QTPP करके questions पूछे जाते हैं वाइवा में. किसी ने हमको CQAs भी बताया, critical quality attributes, while someone mentioned about CMS, which are critical material attributes, and also we heard about critical process parameters. So basically, we all have heard multiple different terms with regards to QBD, control strategies, design space, and many more. So let's come to a place where we can try and understand that how our traditional pharmaceutical product supply system, which was existing in the past with some fixed parameter range, कि disintegration itna, diso itna, with some in-process testing and release testing, differs from the today's QBDM supply system, where you are applying design space, where you are having control strategies, process controls, and PAT tools. So basically, your entire product development system of traditional supply system has gradually been changed and replaced by your quality by design pharmaceutical product supply system. So yes, let's come together to gain a deeper insight into QBD. Let's get answers to all our doubts, all our queries कि पापा CMA क्या है, CQA क्या है, सबका जवाब मिलेगा all at one place. Pharma Light is coming up with a certificate course on quality by design. The faculty is going to be an industry person who already has a hands-on experience with regards to quality by design. And yes, the course is commencing from 8th August 2021. So yes, don't forget to register for the same. Feel free to reach out to us for your queries anytime. The contact numbers are displayed at the footer right over here. You can call them up anytime for the detailed inquiry, or you can fill up the registration form, which is in the description of this video. The description of this video has detailed information, including also the registration form for the course, information like the duration of the course, which is actually 1 month, along with duration of the course, how will the course be conducted, it's going to be online, and multiple other FAQs which you might be having, multiple other questions जो आपके दिमाग में है, सबका आंसर ये वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. So you can just check the description of this particular video, go through it, fill the registration form for the course if you are interested. If you have any doubt, if you have any queries, no need to worry. Feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much. Let's meet together soon on the other part of this particular video where we'll talk detail about QBD. Subscribe to our channel to get further notifications about such courses. And yes, it's commencing soon. So join us very soon for the same, as the seats are limited. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe.